As of Sunday. Tickets for a heart-pounding, nail-biting, adrenaline-pumping, lock-picking event of a lifetime are completely sold out. Rocka Locka Bang Bang. Learn how to pick locks inside of a former functioning prison. Yes. Learn escape, evasion, and bypass skills in the place you could end up if you use this training for illegal purposes. Rocka Locka Bang Bang. Come shake hands with the devil when you're admitted through the gates of hell as you enter the place that once housed the worst of the worst, the baddest of the bad, and now it could house you too. Rocka Locka Bang Bang. But it's not just escape and evasion training. Attendees will also participate in shots and locks, junkyard tracking, free prison tattoos, head-to-head lock-picking duels, a venture to the racetrack, timed escape challenges, and everyone will get the chance to win free Sparrows gear. If you want a chance to win the last ticket to Rocka Locka Bang Bang, make sure you join our waiting list and are subscribed to our socials. Rocka Locka Bang Bang! We sold you the whole seat, but you'll only need the edge, the edge, the edge.